Hey, it's Angelo with Angelo's Edge. You got a little unboxing of an unbox. So, how's that? So, anyways, I was at the Harbor Freight. There's not one really near my house. So, let's see, I don't know how this is all going to work. Let's try it. Oh, no. Oh, crap. Oh, let's get this had a plane crash. Oh, what's something else fell? Oh, set that aside. That didn't work so good. Let's try this again. I'm gonna slip this down in front and over top. Look at that. The Apache. Ooh, some glare. It says Apache. Box from Harbor Freight. My idea was I was gonna open it up and show you guys how to. Let's see, how to. I'm gonna store my knives with this puppy. It's just. I might have to take this camera up even higher. Alright, so that's the Apache box, the large 3800 from Harbor Freight Rugged Mobility. It's got like one of them vents. Yeah, I mean, this is not. I have to figure something out. So, it has these huge. Well, I guess I can see it back here. Huge, pretty big. My plan was to open it and show you me kind of. Let's see. Let's see. Maybe it will. Oh shit! All right, I'm gonna try and that might work. Do some motion and oh. I'm gonna try. Oh, something happened with my camera. I don't like the way that looks. My camera don't like that. So I'm gonna cut all these. See, my camera's trying to focus on that, and I don't like it at all. I don't know what to read. Yeah. So these they come with this foam, and you can cut out these little squares, and I'm going to cut them out so I can slip. I think there's three of them. Two of them are slotted, and you can cut your pieces out, and then one you'd leave that one alone, and you get to put your knives down vertically, kind of like this. So that's what I'm planning to give you some directions. Man, my camera is just freaking out. It don't like. It's seeing something over here. So here's unpack item, phone, desired package, leave enough space, complete blocks, trace outline. So I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna try that, and I'm gonna try to do it on camera, but wow, I don't know if this is gonna work on camera. All right. Oh, I just don't like that one. It's fine if it. Alright, I'm going to pause this. Stop. Alright. I did a little different setup now. Never did this setup. See my mess behind me a little bit. But this is the only way I can get this in. So I paused a video of Birdshot 4 when his wife and him were cutting their Harbor Freight thing out. So I'm probably going to go faster, but I'm trying to see. This is 2. I think they went. Look like they went. They go 3 maybe. 3 maybe 3. That's kind of thick. I need a thinner knife. Let's see if I can find a thinner knife. Hold on. Let's try. This one might work good. The M16 one. I think it looks like they went too high, maybe? We'll go too high and see how that looks. Too high. So I'll probably once I'm done, I probably won't let you. I'll fast forward through all this probably. Let's see. And they did a good job, mine. Yeah, this is gonna be take some time to do all this. Or did they go 3 high? They might have went 3 high. 2. They might have went 3 high. Let's see. Got 3 high. There would be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So it's really hard to see. That'd be kind of. Let's go 2. 2 high is not big enough. It's harder than I thought. They did it, or she did it. Frankie did it like really cool. Like it was like it looked easy. I'm making it look hard. It's like taking me forever. So let's see. I'm trying this. All right, I might have to put come back this stuff and let's see where we at right here. Yeah, I might have to pause this and because this is not going as easy as I thought it was gonna go. I thought it'd be whoopity doo, like bam, it'd be like out and not hard, but it is. It's gonna take more. She did say it was time consuming, so. Okay, well. See, I'm gonna pause it and come back later on when I've got more of it done. Okay, I started my first row, got through. Let's see. I want 2 little square segments apiece, so I'm gonna continue with that. I'm gonna let the camera roll for a little bit. So it's coming together, but it takes time. I think they were using a crossbone. I'm using a M16 1KS. I don't know if you'll hear my voice because I'm probably going to speed this all up. So, let's see if I can get this down. Flip it over. Trying to make sure I don't mess up. It's hard to see these slots. So, like I said, I went two cubes, I guess you would say. So 2 cubes, and man, hers look a lot cleaner than my cuts. Don't look that clean. Mine look jagged, and that one really looks jagged. Let's see if I have a thinner knife. Mine really looks jagged. It don't look as good as hers did. Find a different knife. I don't know if I like this knife or not for this. They had a crossbone, but this probably the operator using it. I don't know if this is. I never sharpened this knife. I'm just wondering if it's not sharp enough. That one went pretty good. So you're supposed to keep. They said people said you should keep these things so you could, I guess, fill in the holes. So, let's see. I don't think I have any thinner knife. Let's continue on another row. I mean, this is a pretty thin knife. It's not really a slice. Oh, wait, what do I got? Probably more of a slicer, so a stabber. Might try. What do I got? What's this one here? See if this one does. I guess it's big. I don't know if I like that one either. Alright, I'm back again, and it looks like I went to a smaller knife, and it is the Book Canoe. It looks like it's a better fit for cutting this stuff out. It's nice and small blade. I never even used this knife. I had to take it out of the box. Well, I mean, I unboxed it. I think I unboxed it, did a video. But I usually hang it behind my head, like on my rack behind me. And I was like, oh, I wonder if this Buck right here would have a better time at cutting this stuff out. And it sure does. Yeah, that just does real good. That does a fine job. So if you, that's the best one. All my knives are kind of too big, but this one just slices pretty good. Alright. Shit. Yeah, this might all be time lapse, probably. Film or skip, because it's really going to be the same thing. I gotta do, I don't know how many of them. A lot of them. So I gotta do this twice, because I gotta do it on this one too. So, and I already screwed this one up on, you can see, I'll put it back in and glue it. But, I cut 3 deep and it should be 2 deep. So I'll probably put a little glue there and re-seal it and do it proper. So, alright, let's go back to here. Oh, by the way, here, let me show you guys something. So here's what it is. It's Harbor Freight, from Harbor Freight, $39. Apache 3800 waterproof protected case. People use it for cameras, all kinds of stuff. Here's like you use it for your guns. You can use a camera. There's different sizes. I got the large one, so I think this one might be the 58. I don't know. There's 3 different sizes they're showing. Pretty durable, seems like. I mean, a lot of the knife video channels like Birdshot, who I watched their video and kind of copying a little bit. Oh, down too far. There's a video you can watch on it. Looks like the Freight Apache. Watch it. Oh, Urban Super. What's that?
Hey, what's up, everyone on YouTube?
Oh, so someone else's YouTube video.
Well, I'm not gonna
pause it, so I don't want to. Well, it looks like if you want to go to Urban stuff, what is it called? Urban.
Up at my local Harbor Freight.
Stopper.
And it's Apache 3800.
Let's see what it is. So you can go to his YouTube video too, I guess. I don't know. See. Anyways, it's right on the Harbor Freight site, so I can't. Anyways, so yeah, so this is the Harbor Freight site, and so there's the 4800, 2800, and 800 or 800, 12, 800, 1800, 2800, and 4800, and there's even a waterproof protected rolling carry case. That's pretty cool too. $94. So you got a little like a handle that comes out. But anyways, all right, back to work. So I'm gonna go back and you can see what I'm doing. It's good price, but it's time consuming to do this. But I think I don't know. I've been hearing there's actually, I think it's a Pelican copy, and you could actually buy. I think I heard it's like $80 for the foam already cut out for you, and then like it looked like it had like plastic coated or something. So, but if you got time, and hopefully I'll get to show you the finished product. I'm gonna pause it again and come back, and hopefully it'll be done when I come back. Well, that took about 2 hours to do. Cut all the slots out. I think see, I think there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Times 12 times 5, I think it's 60, right? 12 times 5, 60. I'm pretty sure.
10, 5, 6, yep,
12 times 5 is 60 there, and then be 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 67, 68, 69 slots.
66.
Oh, what? Let's see.
65, 66.
Well, okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, 68 slots. So this it has the capability of holding 68 knives in here, but it's quite heavy actually. After I put all and it shuts, it's on the heavy side. It probably weighs 20 pounds, I think, though. So it's pretty cool. Pops open and it's waterproof. And it's got the seal around it. So the rubber gaskets up here. You can see that. So I just got them all in here. Just wanted to make a real quick video or finish the video up. So that was daylight when I started. So like I said, it took I think about 2 hours to slot all these out, and it took me it was a little harder than I thought. I tell you what, that birdshot Frankie, hers look a lot better than mine. I kind of put my knives in here so you couldn't see all my rough edges. So, but you know, I like it. So I mean, it's nice to pull you have your knives and stored nice, and it kind of slips right down in there. Kind of cool. All different sizes. And I went one wide and 2 long. So, and I mean it accommodates a lot of these. And I use I use a mixture of knives. I use that buck. I end up using the most was what I used the most of. Can't remember. It was a slicey one. One I sharpened. I can't remember which one I was using the most to cut it. But anyways, you want a somewhat thin knife. And so I think that's about all with this video. It's the Apache 3800 rugged mobility case from Harbor Freight. So it was $39. So I think it's a nice investment if you have knives. And so as you can see, I know there's at least three or four other knife video people that did use this case, so I just copied off them. So alright, if you like videos about knives and such, sharpening and stuff like that, give me a subscribe and share, or subscribe to my channel and give me a thumbs up for this video. Alright, I'll see you guys later. Bye.